idea how many people in terms of the mining industry now need it. One day people move in with Minerals Commission, move in with EPA, Water Resource Commission, all the relevant bodies. Instead of the DVL mobile licensing fund, we to move in with the mobile licensing fund. Hierarchy leadership no meaning register will come after guidelines. One young investor, what type of PPE are you selecting for you? Container and ADC here, which one is changing room, which one is first aid room, which one is administrative room, security checkpoint one. How do we know so be by Juma tax system near digging I know put in place. That fee the one share a certain team on that in terms of safe mining, I'm gonna be training in terms of team in a radio and you say I think and we believe say no boama I didn't fast track it. And then what do I to do for more? Mabunu no I say your mom galam so or more because I feel say I might also when it's already responsible cooperative mine. But I didn't check about so na a common who you are and no nam so na the SARS won't say adapted this new strategy. I'm just no boama you fast track it. All you need to do is to identify the land. Put a signpost, a bema, who said this is an intended government of Ghana project. Then we have an idea of which people are supposed to work there. Yeah, my licensing process. Just say more FD. District commander and divisional commander and often time some of the report we get and it's a nananuma process for more. But it is so because I didn't know any illegality. Police is there to maintain law and order. And the would now I'm actually it's an illegality. The police in Mawa Sumunyo. So what I say. But this time around, I come up with police has no business there. This will be a BBS in our pen more. But what I say. 9 months has no business there. This will be a BBS in our pen. But this is the kind of peace I say the mama Bruno Jumano. At the same time, no, you will need from environmental conservation. Say your bo and near my shrat dear wo assassin you sue your quiet near them. At the same time, you're home by.
I see.
Yeah, this one for near Jama in Chile.
I see. There's I can say who mentioned forest reserves.
Yeah.
Do we still have a forest reservoir? Illegal miners I take you over. That's
no. What? Oh no. Sir, your forest reservoir Ghana ha to send now under the previous administration. No more 9 forest reserves. 9 illegal miner take you over. Forest Commission can say red zone. You can't go. No. As we speak, there is some forest some grand. Chef Garazi for say Omaji quiet be about Ghana. No. The only challenge is that some of the forests, the more you live there for a while, the more people try to make encouraging to go back into those forests. But say forest go krumha nipa bia jiabo so binti I'm here to identify.
You admit that areas.
Yeah, they try to. Say, I don't know. A fee budget allocation. Finance minister, you say, release funds and temp. Now you're moving a manpower from 500,000. The Forestry Commission, a partnership. When you say first, in that Forestry Commission for project to be on friend forest camps. Forest it's like a small village. We are going to intensify that. In a forest protection team, not the normal wildlife observers. No, I idea doing to mom. We would I said that the work was paramilitary training for so many months. I'm winning welfare jungle, but combating near Dinina. It will move a partner with NIMAS. Now, a permanent station in the forest reserves. Edi said, "You are young to a yantria. Quite a good I'm saying.
Okay.
And in she share and say, Penisa Sabi, a cannon na cattle. Yen Sumontia who do a wook when you want to free quite brutal. And the more who protected quiet indirectly, who protected Sumontino. In the coming days, when you say government institution di can be so na mo assassine was the Ghana Gold Board, who has a supporting us with 5 Toyota Hilux tier rubber pickups and a 5 million Ghana cedis. In the coming days, there's a good news. Pijamukura ma we kura the esini kuruya. It's a right step towards making sure say baby I say man kono the was will be respected na otwene ho funu san say abuana no wasen kura say be also tia say no didi pimo so say odidi tware so na yin na yesu adwe
o share adwuma MMDC say ya na mon coordination it is sent from office and Akoma KPIs on say adwuma no mo ye no also mo make sure say especially areas are mining ewo no also mo make sure say through more coordinated effort to be our mobile with national security and then Mwankasa ne is say if you sabe kan Blue Water Guards yabe kan on betima say they will deal with illegal mining within Omo district, you know. If a kan are you must start here monitor the progress at each of the district areas?
The reality is that every MMDC we are a representative of the president. President in Sudan is ready who say galamsey. So your number one KPI as MMDC in a mining district is fighting galamsey. So that's the president's priority. Nti bibia ni ho structure bia na organogram bia ni we say won ka ho automatically ka ho. Uye ni free wa MMDC bia no matter ne experience in security or not no is the chairman of the local security council. Fighting galamsey is a security issue. So and also presents you on that front. The third point is that Ministry of Lands in collaboration with Ministry of Local Government, Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Interior. These are the most linked ministries when it comes to guarantee a genuine to us. Do you DC now local government when there is a guarantee in common so so in all areas, no matter how you look at it, a DC and responsibility of one. Unfortunately, what we or minor have not been able to do is to earmark a certain fund in the common fund, say portion way. What's the common fund by our guidelines?
Guidelines, yes.
We're going to legacy project. We're going to do. I can see at least 18 years, we are 10% to be going to Galamsey fight. Then we are able to measure the DCE based on resources allocation.
Now, Moskana Munya free. What can be said? Ministry name Mamubi. What can good board the answer about?
Yes.
More directly more allocated in my
87.9.
How much is it? 5 million Ghana cedis. Oh, that was a cooperation. I do know how much it costs. We look at now was here about 87 pickups to be able to do permanent deployment. They have only 15. Do no go so you okay? Our best and a helping hand today. And of course, are you okay now? You're in the final deployment and then there's so assemblies, you know, so because you've been your most representative in most all the mining district. So
I see.
But that notwithstanding, no. And also in Chelsea, we DC, I would also them reform
87.9.
Nah, said no. You sit alone with Hans Akimbo and watch the job on. I also hear the able to maybe say you maintain sanity in your area, you protect lives, as Article 1 of the Constitution can say the safety and welfare of every citizen is in the hands of the president. You know, who put them on him and Peninisi and then with and the safety and security of every local person in the local area. It's your responsibility. It's a galamsey saying soon never affected the welfare and safety of the people. Also, nipa no home. It's a galamsey say go for but at what resource? They are doing their best. Sometimes more local IGF kakra na once in a while no they be at petrol police we na young cooperation back. We must acknowledge that they are doing something right until we get to a point where we earmark direct resources to local assembly ministers. So once in a while, or you might not be able to do all 262 districts. Maybe once in a while, or maybe a hot pan, once in a while, be na on also copy kakra by yanko. Na regional ministers so maybe a dear in Guasia bano and I do how banana on also copy kakra by yanko. So it's been that collaborative effort. But one more human show monsa pano na mo say anything yes we DC na despite the say no ya kan nyina no unia kan de na onim so how no ho a reach out. But say we one friend Naimos, one friend regional minister, one friend Obi, and not just any also saw the person. But what I say, and Nuna by 16th of March, a lot of people are going to wait based on that KPI. Yeah, there with him, a lot of them, a lot of them are free. A lot of them will have to continue. A lot more so far
So was a point and I'm saying that Biati say what does it mean? Say ratings and some extent like I say a drenimu but them but ratings say them a drenimu mate say Lands and Natural Resources Ministry mo ka ho bi and no most more contribute here to the process our more the ratings no and if say obi ye be you obi ana say ye be reshuffle nipa no a especially with the MMDCs no
yeah
God I'm say for take ho bi pa e ka ho bi pa
that's right
yeah mate tell me bu sound from that and one of them be see
that's right
e ka ho bi pa.
I mean, I believe strongly say 1 year is more than enough for us to know. Say, will be local level now on the strategy, you know.
Yeah.
A boa bina and a more bina. A more bina, you need to know time.
Yeah.
A deep part, don't more won't put them one on a door mukese. Until also sano. Utiani na reshuffle kawa. Don't be peeved. Maybe now also you are better off in other areas than being an MMDC. Now what final fit. Not nipa ban what bonity done because at the end of the day, California Santama will not go and based on say how long did the DC serve number 12 Abamaya. They are going to ask how well did we impact a Santama in Ghana. And this is a one a bit now new and a bit my na se bema wo party na chewa bamwa.
MMDC be coffee.
Oh, it's obvious.
Because I'm to me and fighting.
It's obvious.
I'm to me and fighting. I'm to me and dealing with
illegal mining. But it's obvious. It be coffee. I'm not a prophet of doom.
But from what I've heard,
but as many as 262 MMDCs across Ghana.
Yeah.
I mean, baby, it's extreme. I mean, some of the regions is very extreme. I mean, let the results of that committee speak. It's extreme. I'm telling you. Maybe I offer but it's
Ashanti region, I mean,
no Ashanti region. Basically, we are doing well until Amanse Central by and one of the regions that was doing so well was Ashanti region.
Wow.
Yes, in terms of how this is in the BKP or backyard.
Okay.
Amanse Central at the end was a historic incident.
Yeah.
And immediately, we have to control what the so,
but at least there should be change.
That's right.
Point.
But you see,
Obibana,
sometimes change, which is just a policy direction, is easy to change.
Yeah.
But be a legal mra You need the buy-in of a lot of people. How many district assemblies in Ashanti region? And at the NDC have 2/3 majority.
As in the
It is
assembly.
our bylaw no kura
As in the assembly.
Yes. Our bylaw no would DC no buy no. Ebi also say it's not in tune with all party ideologies and now government vision. No. How many assembly members are in the assembly are almost support to say yeah, a become innocent person.
So in that case, no, does it mean say a man say central there no?
Yes.
Justification
Me, I believe in total overhaul of that bylaw now.
No, me bisa sem say does it mean say a man say central there no? Jacobu there ne buy
as far as I'm concerned,
justification
as far as I'm concerned.
No, from the ministry's end.
As far as
the minister, because
minister Nyamfa statement beyond on it. And I mean, he has not also directed we will take a certain position yet. But as far as me, my understanding of the issue is of concern. Nipa be near Manchester Central wire bonnet. I am Mrana bonnet. And Nipa
Manchester Central because it's a
bylaw. That's right.
Okay.
And it's a mra because sometimes a trini problem because nipa be na share sa mra no. Enti ne yen kwachire ne yen kwhwe sa afo no. Na ye do mo fa kwan bi so na ye for mo fa so. Na ansa na didia ba anim. Because one thing now we say based on that law who yi na di or the name court who prosecuting na then you need to prosecute not less than 70 MMDCs in this country.
70 MMDC because I practice it.
Because I practice it across a lot of the areas. I don't think that me. I was happy with the documentary. Say, it's your Mahmu. I was in the fourth realm of government and media. So I was happy for the documentary. It keeps people on their toes. But the aspect that not made me happy was how it was being painted as though rank one started. You incriminate people falsely. And almost everybody was calling for the head of the young man. Until later, people got to realize say, stickers as far back as 2022 stickers. I issue among be 30,000, be 18,000, 13,000.
Officially, money local government ministry, they are more to be able to deal with some bylaw now. Emma Quine Masani Manisino. What take a position beyond that?
Oh, so far.
As we speak.
So the committee has not come out with their report yet.
Okay.
And because local government committee here reporting an investigation, there's no need for lands to also comment similar. Evans are para emphasobi and so. The train the local government, the Baba. We are a country woman. Now for year waging sebu or but the your botai can say and say, but that's why no soon
that's it.
Not quite no sin that them why habamono. Na say nipa be good you to cry, no kwampaswa, and functions and so that is our primary motive.
Okay.
Now say Binyana Sadia, now also be enough from the yeah, can see that.
Mamino probably be a that will be my last year, I will be to add to it there that reclamation.
Yeah.
Of course, saying the last time minister by Ashanti region Beshebi, but from moment end so far, how many areas are you dealing with at the moment?
You see, the whole fight against Galamsey stands on three major pillars: enforcement and reforms. Then we have the alternative, and then we have the restorative. Restorative, no na e kakese pa. Enya asem ketwa. Asanse na obia ka se wodi ntu so go onye Galamsey biem ya sakra nyamemba ya jetu na yesi die na anu ada na ba bi apenso mere bi etwa mu die se no nkwa ego sisi ase John. It requires a huge amount of resources. Let me just give you an overview. Yes, it's a reclaim 1 hectare and vegetation cover proper. It costs between $46,000 to $48,000. 1 hectare. Paying data, we need to reclaim about over 5,500 hectares. Do the mathematics.
It's a lot in the become.
It is millions of dollars. Millions. And then yet, Bayra Abrowajo. Oh, a buying Kasa or the footwall or the say bought or mindful to more Baba said Jumana. Oh, maybe do baby more of a Piamo me teacher for graduate to Mungo. And until strategically last year, at the tail end of the year, no, Orama Kofi added to corporate Ghana and himself. This is the reality that has caught up with us. Yepo, baby, I yatna see I hear Galamsi Amana Bedruni. Kwan Ben Yerofa so in everything aboa. A few of them came on board. Highlight should be given to Neiman Ghana Limited. Omune boy ya nano ada Manso Nyankuma say about 240 hectares of land. Yeruklemu and a side 2 Manso Asari Krum and also 80 hectares. Put the two together, that's about 320 hectares. It is a pilot program. It's about 800 acres of land. Oko Western North, similar thing is ongoing. Oko Asante Bakwa Haya lodges, similar thing is ongoing. But we will okra DC is in Yankran Kasra, so your local innovation be on Moboa. Ko Mia of our peer could be Muslim from or no one said local initiative on also boy. And I make us as some Kurono, we were Kenya some. Obisu be kani abona baso. Galam say Kurono obi DJ fans. Obisu DJ the boy. So enti kakanga we believe say any other home we have a fair idea. No. This year is more towards reclamation. Nano call Manso. You could see the happiness in the face of the people of Manso. Nano ni idea ohono. Title regional minister because Edward Bidiaman as a young energetic regional minister. Now how say pass as here. Kit may be na ashe Yamini Chidiman Munyamono. I am on Jumonka. What that one that the fact that even minister chose a central region to be as part of the regions or their pilot on Okrano, a share Santimani Munyam Kessia, I say regional minister of Munyam. Yeah, Mano, and so there's more work to be done.
I see. Enti Emilia, I saw Chiao. As one say.
Oh,
I saw Chiao pa na or the Komofu front say Shaibu and so say yon Chia Central Regional Communication Officer. I say I am a friend, I am a bre engineer. Shaibu, one of our serial colleagues. Oh, Moshizongo. I say
Shaibu.
Yeah, and in the crack no, I'm phone you. Gonna come on 8 1 solid. Yes. And a baby boom my yentimi and shasi around that time. But you know, say you were hey dear. At any time, it beats me. But I mean, so it's officially no. Why a consultation every? Yes. I was happy.
I've so far regional executives there. There's a more intimation. Been to the regional chairman. I've been to the regional organizer. I've been to regional vice chairman. I've been to Captain Dabari Hono. Been to Miami deputy Asokwa president. Cameo. Been to a number of them. And I'm playing Yami Council of State. More fire bimpe. Now ya regional minister. Now if you're more one cry, I'm free Santen also. I'm over PV Jan to a honum and all of that. So far.
She's almost about.
Hey.
We was I video I was out I'm the kind. I ran to
no,
what do you mean?
Is it Penini Granoa? But
yeah.
I mean, what gives me Hotosono is not just about how to win the election.
Yeah.
It's about how to put our arsenals together and introduce some innovations. Maybe I'm going in very serious guidance.
Yeah.
But when I go for one, I'm
I betcha.
because experience,
Hey.
Experience, but we make sure we must make sure that the experienced people amongst us, ride on their back to introduce the new reforms. Baby. Is it Bema baby one baby? Whatever foundation or Malay, or see you're setting new.
That's fine.
Add on. So
That's fine.
me say baby a druid. Yeah, baby a cajon. But I'm running around Maho Kwaya. At least it's a positive. He said I'm running swamping for Maho Kwaya. Say a fan cat and also with you.
Minia, minim de obeka ntwato na yemfe yen community of abana fe yen twaso.
Masama make a ntwato nyina na se omampani mama mamwe ni namba intia for mogudu.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Bia so sa ono wani no kre. Ne munde yam peneso ne kwa mboni no ayetu a ejanso so boni we nyina ya brabo so. In the coming days, cooperative mining no ayehu sa che no. Efra no ntoma fofora ebe papa asene kane no na ebe bantem ebe duro bia so abubu ano ntem ti we mabunu titu we menu endi sinia empepre ho mfa ho nkoto amani ebe wa abubu ano na say agro ba ofie ntumiri kan kwhia no na obi adi so mfa so ti enum nsuo ntwensa
right
na fe party for
87.9
77 producer Lord Kurano, no matter how ni padudu etimu no bagufu ni etwi. Kabore incoming enya me nkwa miyo yonti. Ana enya me se matisa konwa to na me prepare. Eyo man no so. Party no so. Na se John de wudi oni me pa. Party no aye basum no se nsuwe ni ede ba ma ya enya me nkwa me de. Me ne party me butan se be bi edu party bi aso no adi so mfa so bi. Na say yen kana santen fa no ntoma pam François e be kana say de yen kana de ni bi kana de no anye di we si we ba yo ye say we si we ade achi ba be ni be fa so afa die onipa bi so mra na kase mrantie say ne ba ya o mo kasa panti asante ko duru mpampon so yi Ghana ko duru mpampon so. That is the new chapter of political communication I hefe na when him say the da mo boy chi dom no kwantu kesi nso mo boy chi dom ama kunindi eni eni monyama from aba.
Okay, that's a pa we for me ntwa me homra na ni Kabore na otisi eni di nkomo no na me ne bafa so nto aso ba yesi e
Umbo mpanyimfo kan ye womboatse de oya foto nsachiri nyipa gidan sohwe na maroma pone dwuma befie mabra na maboto ho na madahatse mo wonde ma na mbi poso baby na matsema na ho dwi ntuntuni yekum ebufu shu na mazukura atama me ne shop ho atama me be ntuntuni edru osokroti na obajo wo friend fatala sa isokura osibi chara papa tanga wo sipo nyubutwa onhwe nyipeduen oye nhom so de na ntuntuna wo suru na ma osan ku inseta otu na za wo wiye ni nginara oye quick action ishe sidanyi fatala ye wono coin spray ni nyinabi epiandodo wa free 0599 315 Senya spray wo dem ho a fi wo be yesemadu no man from amfa wansana akehim otode bien mon sokwa ilinsedo na ndem fatala is set out krati FDA apenedo
ahanye kom abusuapani abekasa titru ni ema no ema mo so moka ho eye abusuapani kasa yo abusua chia me bedase yendi hie ya yie se de be hie nyan munyam nti ye de ho contract nyina ahye God's Way Funeral Home fonsa
God's Way Funeral Home nso de wo ye ho sua ho pa
ane woton oman mu nya brochire efundaka ededa efuru se de omanfo enyim di panabra na wote ase pepepe ambulance ene ka papa wode fefunu power bearers embrantia wo su efuru de ma ensuring asiedie efuru ntade local foreign nyina picture roller boards video coverage me ka jade God's Way Funeral Home was sound system kete adwa live band wo catering services enu anuane